man. You could A/B test with Sinbad and Shaquille in the entire multiverse.
Douchebag! No stop. Oh, fuck no. Yeah, he's got. Fuck me. Shit. Really? This is fun. Yeah, that was fun dancing with you. Why'd you like keep going straight and make the right on the 590, or it's a left on the 590? Actually, they don't allow trucks down there. I don't know what the fuck you were supposed to do.
Never would happen. I mean, I don't know about never, but we're a long way away from this conversation.
For more exciting clips just like that one, subscribe to this channel, because I know you came here for people that run stop signs. I know it. You're excited, right? Yeah!
Mine was talented and tough, and that's what he was.
Yeah, he was built like a brick S-house. No one was built. Cordy looked like he lifted weights.
Basso left.
Yeah, that's what called plastoline. At Nature Jab _.
What the fuck?
Instagram. If you're interested in that type of stuff.
Really?
Plastoline was designed to be
how would you go?
placed into gasoline.
What the hell are you doing? Come on. Come on. Don't tell me you're regretting making this right turn here. Come on. You know, you're gonna wait for the light to change to finally pull up there. Well, we could have went all along. It's like, oh, look, because Prius. We can't figure shit out. No stop! What a great example that you set for the rest of us. I think that's Irondequoit police. What are they doing down here? Red light, run! And look, there's two Irondequoit cops there right in front of me. I wonder if they'll do something. There's two of them. Odds are doubled. Usually they don't do shit. Maybe they'll do something. Maybe. Really, dude? You're not a boss. Exit dive. Nissan driver. Nissan drivers are the worst drivers ever.
You mentioned briefly that the author of psychotherapy is wrong about everything. What convinced you of this? A, the 25-year-old you dated.
This cut off.
B, the 24-year-old you dated.
Exit dive. Yeah, don't say that.
So social media or check the show notes. Be sure to check out citationpod.com. So it shouldn't be naked, folks.
Whoa, what the fuck? Holy shit!
Hi, Mom. Yeah, would you mind getting on the phone with Cecil for a second and telling him my name is Heath?
Thank goodness there was someone alongside me. No one. Thank goodness it didn't hit anybody.
On the job, one of those improvised solutions to help get you through the day. Well, in 1859, a 22-year-old chemist named Robert Cheeseborough had been working.
All right, get on camera. I'll let you in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get do the deed already. There you go. Good job. There's one. And an extra regret, too. Yep, it's not as entertaining as yesterday's, but pretty good, I guess. No, probably not. I don't know how these fucking traffic lights work. Hello! What the fuck are you doing? Fuck you. Nice cut off.
8 million Irish people were wholly...
No boats in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no boats in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we happen to be in Connecticut or in the ocean or wherever the hell they don't allow boats. You're fine. I'm just singing a stupid song just for the sake of singing a stupid song. And the lane here is about to end. That won't be a left lane anymore. I don't get how things work anymore. Stop it. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay, I guess. Have a good day. Bye.